Okay, in this clip, in this video, you're going to see David Yamada catch a couple fish. I'm there this morning fishing with my daughter. Very big day for me. I wasn't even interested in catching fish. I wanted to make sure she was having a good time. He caught a couple nice ones. I was just flying my drone just to get some footage, and I was capturing some of these fishermen here catching fish. Now, he took a nice one, like two in a row. And the time that I'm flying this drone, my phone's ringing and I can't answer it. That's a nice fish. So my phone rings, can't answer it. It's Mike Jones down the way. He's about 200 yards down to me. So he's calling. I'm hearing someone scream, "Bring the drone." That's my daughter. So he's yelling, "Bring the drone," and then I get down there and he's actually needing a net. No one's got a net. So I put the drone on him to hover and go down. A guy has a grappling hook. We get that, and then we end up landing basically a fish of the lifetime. Didn't foul hook it or anything. Caught it while he was perch fishing, and I believe we weighed it out, and it was about 32 pounds. So at this point, I'm going to fly down there, and then I documented basically the whole catch. It was pretty incredible. So I hope you enjoyed the footage. Leave me a comment. So at this point, I'm actually trying to figure out which way to fly the drone so I can catch up with Mike. He's going to pop into the screen here in a second once I kind of maneuver. There he is down there waving. 69-year-old Mike Jones. This is a fish of a lifetime. He hasn't even seen it. The fish is like 20 feet down, and no one's got a net. So in a second here, I'm going to put down I'm going to lock the drone on him while he's sitting there fighting this big fish, and then I'm going to come back here shortly and get a grapple hook so someone can land it. You're going to see me flying over the fish trying to find it, and we take it all the way until he gets it on the bank. But this is Mike Jones, friend of mine. Happy that he caught a fish of a lifetime.